time. I finally made up my mind. She is the girl, and I really want to make her mine. I'm searching everywhere to find her again, to tell her I love her, and I'm sorry about the things I've done. I find her standing in front of the church, the only place in town where I didn't search. She looks so happy in a wedding dress, but she's crying while she's saying this: "Boy, I missed your kisses all the time, but this is 25 minutes too late. Though you traveled so far, boy, I'm sorry you're out 25 minutes too late." Against the wind, I'm going home again. Wishing me back to the time when we were more than friends. But still I see her in front of the church, the only place in town where I didn't search. She looked so happy in a wedding dress, but she cried while she was saying this: "Boy, I missed your kisses all the time, but this is 25 minutes too late. Though you traveled so far, boy, I'm sorry you're out 25 minutes too late." Out in the streets, places where hungry hearts have nothing to eat. Inside my head, still I can hear the words she said: "Boy, I missed your kisses all the time, but this is 25 minutes too late. Though you traveled so far, boy, I'm sorry you're out 25 minutes too late. Boy, I missed your kisses all the time, but this is 25 minutes too late. It's too late. Though you traveled so far, I'm sorry you're out 25 minutes too late. I can still hear her say,
I look up from the ground to see your sad and teary eyes. You look away from me, and I see there's something you're trying to hide. And I reach for your hand, but it's cold. You pull away again, and I wonder what's on your mind. And then you say to me you made a dumb mistake. You start to tremble and your voice begins to break. You say the cigarettes on the counter weren't your friends, they were my mates. And I feel the color draining from my face. And my friend said, I know you love her, but it's over, mate. It doesn't matter, put the phone away. It's never easy to walk away. Let her go, it'll be alright. So I still look back at all the messages you'd sent, And I know it wasn't right, but it was fucking with my head. And everything deleted like the past year was gone. And when I touched your face, I could tell you're moving on. But it's not the fact that you kissed him yesterday, it's the feeling of betrayal that I just can't seem to shake. And everything I know tells me that I should walk away, but I just wanna stay. And my friend said, I know you love her, but it's over, mate. It doesn't matter, put the phone away. It's never easy to walk away. Let her go, it'll be okay. It's gonna hurt for a bit of time. So bottoms up, let's forget tonight. You find another and you'll be just fine. Let her go. Past like time, and they can't steal the love you're born to find. But nothing heals the past like time, and they can't steal